Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Top Education. So, we have completed chemical reaction with metals and non-metals. Today's our topic is reproduction in animals. That how do animals reproduce? What in this chapter we will learn that how do animals reproduce, two parts of reproduction, etc., etc. This was an interesting chapter, and I think you know better than me. So let's start this our journey from this question. What is reproduction? That let us solve it. Reproduction is very important as it ensures the continuance of similar kind of individual generation to generation. Means reproduction is a part from which the generation cycle is continuously happen, that a mother gives to a child. The child is the third generation of their family, and then their generation, and then their generation. This is the definition of reproduction. Next is two parts of reproduction. Two parts of reproduction are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Let us first we will start what sexual, asexual. I think sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? This type of reproduction beginning from the fusion of a male and female gamete is called the sexual reproduction, which means when a male and female gametes combine from each other, the sexual reproduction was done. Male reproductive organs. Now it asks from us that what are male reproductive organs? The male reproductive organs are testes, two sperm ducts, penis. Testes, sperm, penis. Male reproductive organs. The sperm. The testes produce the male gametes called sperm. When million of male gametes combine with each other, they form sperm. Million of sperm produced by the testes. A testis can produce million of sperms. Now, what is sperm? This is the diagram of sperm. It is like a tail, and this is like a tongue of the sperm. I don't know. Its parts are head, middle piece, tail. Tail mane pooch. Name female reproductive organs. Now the female reproductive organs. The female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviduct, flapella tubes. Oviduct are also known as flapping tubes, and the udders. Ovary produce female gametes called ova eggs. That udders and ovary, both organs are used to produce an egg in female body, which also named as ova. This is the diagram of female reproductive organ. This is udder, this is ovary, both of these, and these are oviducts. What is a human ovum? An egg in the udder in which a process of development in human ovum, which means this is the nucleus and this is the human ovum, which lays down in the female body. I hope you all understand that what did I say regarding this topic. What is fertilization? The fusion of a sperm and egg is called fertilization. When this is an egg, these are the sperms. When the sperm get combined with the egg, these are the shield, this is ovum, this is egg. When the sperm and the egg get combined, they form and process named as fertilization. Our last thing is what is zygote. Today we will discuss just to hear that what is zygote. During fertilization, the nucleus of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg or a zygote. That when the fertilization process is done, the combination of the sperm and the egg is done, they produce an single nucleus, means a small egg or a small cell, which name has zygote. These are the shield of zygote. These are the fusion nucleus. This is the picture of zygote. It is a zygote which develop into a new individual. Means this is the zygote is the egg or the fusion nucleus, which you want to say that anything you can say it. It is the part of female body which goes to develop a new baby. So guys, today we will discuss just that here. Tomorrow we will discuss about new more things. For that time, stay home, stay safe, stay connected with us and stay away by COVID-19. If you like this video, please like it. Share it with your friends. Comment my channel that what did you not understand in this video. I will give you the explanation of your questions. And in last, subscribe my channel and press that bell icon for all the new videos notification. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Radhe Radhe.